Hello, friends. It's me, Stephanie, and I am looking at my office, and it is a hot mess. And I decided to come in here and at least get my desk organized. I was able to get this desk from our favorite IKEA, so I wanted to go ahead and try to organize it. And this is how it looks. And I'm going to get my office together, but this desk is a hot mess. So I'm going to put you on pause and see if I can organize it just a little bit. Hold on, I'll be back with you. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Sorry if I took too long, but I really didn't organize it like I really wanted to, but it's better than it looked at first. And like I said, my behind the scenes, this is a office in progress, but I'm gonna get the monitor hooked up. See my mouse pad. Then I open the drawer, got my trays, and I need to organize that a little more. My little notepad, which is real pretty. I got that at Office Max. And then this girl in class, when I was taking some classes, had a pencil sharpener, and I wanted one, so I got that. There it is. It wasn't focusing too good. And then I got my clear tape in this little container, and this probably was at the Dollar Tree. And these I got from the thrift stores. Really pretty pack of pencils. Look how cheap, $2.25, but they're the burgundy color pencils. Let me see if I can get one out for you guys. I thought about selling them because they really, really, really are nice pencils. And then at the top here, it has the eraser. So we'll see. But that's really neat. And then it has another tray here. And I haven't really organized that, but I have a jewelry tray in here. It's velvet. And then some jewelry that I'm going to be selling. And then here's another clear container, some jewelry. But I'll organize that more. And then over here is my gold. I don't know why this camera is not focusing, you guys. Well, anyway, let's see. Shh. Okay, there we go. Over here, this is my gold stapler. My tape dispenser is gold too. It's pretty. And I got this Harry. What is this called? Let me see if I can see it. It's a holiday Harry Bindle, and I think a candle came in this thing, but I used it as putting my pencils in, my number 2 pencils. So, and it's gold and it works out. And then I have my Boss Lady plaque for my desk. So that is my organization for now, and as I get this office situated the way I want it, and I'll come back, but I'll take you on this journey with me. So thanks for hanging out with me. It's me, Stephanie, and I hope you guys have a great weekend, and talk to you soon. And let's see, one thing I always like to say also is love one another. I'm going to start saying that. Please love one another and be blessed. Take care. Bye.